Hey everyone, I'm Tripti Jain. So in this video we'll learn the new trick for the countries bordering the Red Sea. I have already made the videos on the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, the Caspian Sea and also the Black Sea. So this video is on the Red Sea, which is also important. So 6 countries are bordering the Red Sea, that is Egypt, Sudan, Eritrea, Yemen, Djibouti, Saudi Arabia, and Gulf of Aqaba is important, and Gulf of Aden also plays an important role. So directly moving to the trick. So the trick for the countries bordering the Red Sea is like आप कैसे याद कर सकते हो कि Red Sea में काफ़ी सारे seeds है. So this is how you can remember seeds या फिर seeds basically, or you can say seed yes. Like Red Sea has a lot of seeds in it. काफ़ी सारे seeds है जो red color के है. So this is basically the hint. So S will it will stand for Saudi Arabia, E for Eritrea, then Egypt, and D say it's like Djibouti, Y say it's Yemen, and again in S that is Sudan. So similarly this also, that is seed जो है same है, and Y say it's Yemen and S say it's Sudan. So या तो CDs या फिर seed yes. This is how you can remember. And this is a short announcement regarding the courses on Unacademy. So this is the IAS Dream offer, flat 20% off. So you can use my code to get an 10% discount, Tripti10. And also these are the civil services new batches जो already begin हो चुके हैं, start हो चुके हैं कल से. सो इसमें सारे 2023 के लिए जो भी प्रिपेयर कर रहा है, टारगेट कर रहा है, दे कैन ऑप्ट फॉर इट. बाइलिंगुअल बैचेस भी है, हिंदी में भी है, जिसमें सारे जीएस की प्रिपरेशन होगी. दिस इज़ दी पर्टिकुलरली प्रीलिम्स एंड सीसेट टेस्ट सीरीज that is bifurcated, that is 28 tests which includes 20 GS and 8 CSAT. Similarly, if you opt for 56 tests, so it is bifurcated into 40 GS and 16 CSAT tests. These are the optional courses which have been launched in March. This is basically in English, Hindi and bilingual. You can opt, you can choose whichever medium of language you can have, and this is the loan for UPSC. You can apply easily, you will get the approval within 2 hours, minimal paperwork and also the flexible tenure. So this is a free and comprehensive interview guidance program, that is training by the experts, DAF analysis, which is free for all the eligible aspirants. There will be a flexible schedule and an experienced panel of mentors to help and guide you. And also last but not the least, this is the Unacademy store which is open in New Delhi, that is in Old Rajendra Nagar. So you can freely visit. Okay, thank you.